पणजे दर वर्सा पावसात मळा वाठारांत आशिल्लीं घरां बुडटालीं। ह्या समस्येचो सुटावो करपा खातीर स्मार्ट सिटी मिशनान मळ्यांत तळ्याच्या कुशीक 16 कोटी खर्च करून हुंवाराचें उदक पंप करपाचें स्टेशन बांदलां, जाका लागून ह्या भागात पूर येवपाचो धोको कमी जाला अशें उदका स्रोत खात्याचो कार्यकारी अभियंतो नासरेत वाझ हांणी सांगलें।
पणजे स्मार्ट सिटी मिशन खाला उदका स्रोत खात्यान मळा वाठारांत तळ्याच्या कुशीक 16 कोटी खर्च करून हुंवाराचें उदक पंप करपाचें स्टेशन बांदलां। ह्या स्टेशनांत 100 HP टांकीचे 3 पंप तशेंच 75 HP टांकीचे 2 पंप आसात। लायट नासता तेन्ना हे पंप चलचे म्हूण 260 kVA 3 डिझल जनरेटरूय बसयल्यात। तशेंच 7 मीटर डायमिटराच्यो 2 बांयो आसात। जेन्ना जेन्ना तळ्याचें उदक वाडपाची शक्यता आसता तेन्ना हे उच्च क्षमतेचे पंप सुरू करून तळ्यांतले वाडिल्ले उदक रुआ द ओवरे क्रिकांत सोडटात, जाका लागून ह्या भागात पूर येवपाचो धोको बंद जाला। तशेंच तळ्यांतल्या उदकाच्या पातळेचेर कॅमेरा वरवीं लक्ष दवरता, ताका लागून उदकाची पातळी वाडटा अशें दिसलें काय पंप सुरू करतात। ह्या पंपिंग स्टेशनाक लागून पुराचेर नियंत्रण दवरप सोपें जालां, अशी माहिती उदका स्रोत खात्याचो कार्यकारी अभियंतो नासरेत वाझ हांणी दिली।
Now there was a need for this project because when there was a high tide and there was rainfall, especially in the last 4-5 years, it was observed that there was flooding due to rains. All the water which comes from the catchment of Altino will come down the slopes into the drains, and when there is a high tide, that water will not flow out. So the water will enter the low-lying areas of Mala. Now, the reason for that was that the Mala ward is located between the Altino Hill and the Rua the Orang Creek. So it is sort of sandwiched between these two, and when there is a high tide, there is no chance for the rainwater to drain into the river. So then it will get collected. During rains, the water, instead of entering into the lake, it was denied that space, and it will enter into the houses. So when we took the project, our first objective was to make the lake functional, to take water, to drain water, see that it works as a balancing reservoir. All the drains around the lake, they have now openings into the lake. So they carry all the flood discharge, all the storm water during rains into the lake. And with the pumping system, we try to see that the lake is dewatered by at least a meter. So it has that 1 meter buffer is there. And my pumping capacity can take 8,500 cubic meters from the lake. To be doubly sure, we see that a buffer of 1 meter is kept in the lake. We pump it, or we let the water flow out naturally during low tides. But we see that a buffer of 1 meter is always there in the lake, so that even if it rains, we have a preparation time of at least half an hour to get all our pumps primed and put into action.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर नीरज नाईक।